Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the order of things on a Google slide. So if you want to change the order of objects, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So let's say I have this shape right here. If I want to send this to the back, just right click on it and you can select versus order and then select send to back. If you want to move it to the front, just right click on it and you can change it to bring forward or bring to the front. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.